Mount Florence district in Glengoffe, St Catherine. Ladies and gentlemen, the authorities are seeking your help identifying a person found. Greetings and salutations to all nations. Ladies and gentlemen, you know it's your favorite Jamaican. I'm Rastafari over here of the TV. And if it's your first time tuning into the Rastaman channel, you hit that red subscribe button if you have not as yet, ladies and gentlemen, and help build up the Rastaman panel. It appears said this week, or even this month, a St Catherine turned for dopey up the place because the police are seeking to identify human remains found in St Catherine. The Glengoffe Police in St Catherine are trying to identify the skeletal remains that were found. Imagine this. It was found in the community on Sunday when everybody gone to church. The police said about 2 p.m. middle day. Passerby in the Mount Florence district of Glengoffe stumbled upon the skeleton remains of a person on the bank of a stream. The police were summoned. Call him up, 119, come do your work. An initial check revealed the remains to be of a human being. The police said that a multicolored pair of shorts was observed at the lower part of the skeleton. The remains were removed to the funeral home while investigations await the post-mortem examination. Well, me I go tell you something. Sooner or later, Jamaica gonna have to put in a death penalty because too many people are get dashed way pan bank inside in a river. And most of these criminals now hide. Ladies and gentlemen, remember I am not talking about Cheerios nor cornflakes. Jamaica have some cereals. You are guarantee what me I say. Them have some cereals. And the Jamaican government continue to act like they don't know that we are a population of criminal minds. It appears that say the criminal them are the victim nowadays. The people them need to ask for better. Too many people are get holding at them like them a sweater. Imagine Jamaica, St. Catherine again. Imagine them said that this time it's in the Florence district, my lord. And I am sick and tired for the whole week. 2 weeks now, me no read nothing on the internet because I am shame and vexed. And it appears that the population of Jamaica salivate to see who is going to get their death next. The government have no care for the people because the people are evil. Imagine, ladies and gentlemen, St. Catherine again. St. Catherine Mount Florence district, Glengoffe. The police in St. Catherine are asking people to help identify the body. If your family member missing, this possibly could be them. But the people them not care. They deal with people like dogs, like animal. You know, like a little goat we hang in a pen. Them just bury that, drink 2 rum, and start over. When will it end? Home and abroad. My lord, the people them don't care for each other. And then turn around and blame it on another. When them can't find no human to blame it upon them, blame it upon the devil. And when them want prove to you say them lazy and them no want to do nothing, them beg for God. Black people, Jamaican people, worldwide, it's being realized that you are evil. No wicked and cruel and cross no wrath. And the thing is, a coward. Them introduce this thing named the pie. I mean, I lie. Enough people will look like me a die. Leave your comment on this one, people. St Catherine never good. It stink and nasty like a latrine. And here we go again. A factory of bodies. That's all we're creating. Jamaicans need to change. No God now come save you. And the police them need to rearrange. Uno cross and wicked. Bad minding breeding. Here we have someone that's probably innocent. It's probably a couple of those ladies that I see continue to be put in the newspaper about missing. Black woman stop trust black man. They're wicked. You are going to me know uno evil to one thief. But at the end of the day, I don't know white man now, Indian now, no Chinese man do this. Uno need to come to the conclusion and the black governments are sorry. Me tell you like how the Jamaican them fi look in at what's going on, me people. Uno killing yourself like say a fly. But it's obvious. And I man not go hold back no more, you know. Not go hold back no more, you know. I one of the wickedest and evilest set of people me ever seen in my life. Jamaicans. And then them lie. What a great set of actors. But one love and we loving. Especially the men. Evil and wicked. And then the government. Same thing. All are uno deceptive. Uno use evil. Uno use violence and criminality. To kill off the good. To make sure the sun don't rise. To make sure the daughter don't rise. You think I look at Usain Bolt and Bob Marley uno done? Jamaica. Uno can't save again. Nobody can tell me say Jamaica can save again. This not good again. Until the Jamaican idiot government put in a death penalty. It ain't gonna work. St. Catherine. That girl never good. Me don't know how them get Saint pan her name. Cause from me born, man a dead there so. A body found laid down under the ground. Imagine me families and friends. Me not even read the news anymore. Me just ask, you know. What a guan, pan what a guan in a Jamaica. St. Catherine. Police seeking to identify human remains. I know like say nobody never reported missing, you know. But the Jamaican police and the Jamaican government is just like the people. They're evil. They're lazy. Them not care. Because see, the government is a reflection of the people. And if the people them evil, you're going to have some evil government. If the people them don't care, you're going to have some don't care government. Because me notice the black people, especially the ladies them never tell them use them so to stop the evil and wickedness. Them always say them use them innocence. But them no say, I lie them at them. You guarantee. That's why all of them have to end up in a church. Because they have to ask for forgiveness for what is word. Jamaica no good. It never good, no just lie. And more life and more joy. I hope I never one of my family die. Because nothing now come out of it. Or not too evil and wicked.
Yeah, this is Everton Glenn. I mentioned how to beetroot Steve. You ever done that? Up! Lift up your head and go lead to how. We know that we